Welcome back to Home Renovation Media. On this channel, I share my experience renovating a 1968 home. If you want to learn more from my journey, what I did myself and what I hired others to do, and lessons along the way, subscribe now and give the video a like. In this video, episode 4, I'm going to show you how the drywall turned out and whether deciding to drywall in the sides of the garage was worth it. You'll see what the garage looked like before and after. First, let's take a short tour inside the house. In episode 3, I showed the house with some drywall removed because of 2 water leaks and long-term termite damage. As you can see, the drywall is back in and looking good. This is the HVAC closet where one of the leaks started, and you can see the drywall that has been freshly replaced. Now let's take a look at what the sides of the garage looked like before renovation. Here is one side, and you can see that the paper is discolored and the old side door is still in place. We did replace the side door and we'll cover the house's new doors in a future video, so stay tuned for that. From a visual perspective, I decided that adding the drywall would make the garage look better. Now let's take a look at the finished garage after the abatement fixes, the new drywall, and paint. You might remember that the abatement team removed the falling drywall tape on the back wall and prepared it for repairs. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. For me, adding the new drywall took the garage from vintage to modern with a very clean look. The floor of the garage is still a bit stained, but in the future it could be covered with epoxy garage flooring or get a really deep cleaning. For now, it has been nicely swept, and the garage overall looks like you would find in a brand new house. The next video will cover my 2 bathroom renovations, so you won't want to miss it. Subscribe now to catch every episode. And thanks for watching.